In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to view page activity in Notion. Notion provides a feature called Page Analytics from which you can obtain valuable insights into the performance of your content. It also allows you to view a log of changes and activity on a specific page. This log includes information such as who made the changes, what changes were made, and when they occurred. To access the page analytics in Notion, follow these steps. Open the page for which you want to view the activity log. Then look for the three dots located in the top right corner of the page. Click on it to open the Page Options menu. From the drop-down menu, select Page Analytics, then View Analytics from the sub-menu. A sidebar will appear on the right side of the screen, showing the views, viewers, editors of the page, and also the logs in the Updates tab. The activity log displays a list of events including edits, comments, and other actions. By reviewing the Updates tab, you can gain insights into the changes made to the page, track collaborations, and see the history of edits and interactions on the page. This can be particularly useful for teams working together on shared documents or projects. If this video helped, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe.